Hi my sweet people, today's video is on this Lotus Biscoff banana bread, and if you want to know how I made this, just keep on watching. Items needed for this banana bread will be Biscoff spread, flour, cinnamon powder, vegetable oil, yogurt, sugar, baking soda, salt, vanilla essence, butter, Biscoff biscuits, and banana. Grab your mixing bowl and add in your bananas, and then just need to mash them. I can add in the sugar and your vegetable oil. Just use a whisk and just mix and mash them. So after mixing, I just decided, in order for me to get like a smoother consistency, I just used the beater in the end. That's not shown here, but just for a few minutes I just beated it to make smoother. I prefer it to be a little bit smoother, so I just use a beater. Yeah, so after that's done, you can add in your yogurt and also the vanilla essence. Also, don't forget to add in your butter. Next, you can add in your cinnamon powder and then just continue mixing. Just grabbing another mixing bowl and adding in my flour. Next, you can add in your salt and your baking soda. Then I'm just gonna go back to the first mixing bowl with the items. So just slowly add in the dry ingredients and then just mix and then add, mix and add, and as you go, so that it all mixes well. After everything is mixed and it all comes nicely together like this, then you can just grab your pan that you're going to bake in. So I'm just going to get a rectangular pan and then just line it as you know, I love to do this so that it's easier for me to remove it later. And then you can grease it if you want. So I actually like doing this, which is putting a little bit of butter as it bakes. And then I found it to be nicer because I tried this recipe twice, and I like the first time where I put some butter on top of it while it's baking. So I just remove it for a while and then just add in the butter. But yeah, so for now you can add in a few scoops of the batter and then add in your Biscoff spread, as much as you want or as less as you want, depending up to you, because I really love Biscoff, so I added quite a bit. And just add in a few scoops of the batter, and then you can add in the Biscoff spread, and I just add it like a few different places, and then you can add in your batter again and then put it on top, and then use something like a stick or something. So I couldn't find mine and I didn't know I wasn't recording, but I just mixed it. And then up to you how much you want to mix, if you want the batter to be more incorporated, or you know, just like a little bit, so that when you bake afterwards you can still see the spread instead of it being already in the batter and mixed with the batter itself. So like here, I'm just adding it here, and then you can mix as you go, or up to you depending on how you like it, or you know, how you want to do it. So I'm just doing it on how I think it would be nice. So I really like the first batch that I did, which is this batch. Also, for the part that I didn't realize I wasn't recording, I actually mixed it quite a bit, so like you see over here. And I also forgot about the biscuits. Yeah, so that's how I place my biscuits. And then now it's time to bake. You'll need to bake it at 350 for 55 to 65 minutes. Like I was saying earlier, I added butter, so I only added it when it actually rise, and you know, then I just added a little bit butter here and there. This is the final outcome, and I really liked it actually. So you can add more biscuits on the top if you want. So I just added that much, and yeah, so this is the slice. After cutting it out, you can see a little bit of the spread at the side because I mixed too much. So yeah, that's how it became. So if you want, you can add on more spread if you want, and it was really super good. I really love this recipe, and I will say that my favorite banana recipe is this. I will never stop making this because this is my ultimate favorite now. Like the rest I've made, yes, I love it, but this tops the list actually. So if you want, you can try this out, and you know, if you love banana bread like me, then you can definitely try and see how it feels. So that's the end of the video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you try, let me know. So thank you so much for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, hey, look.